In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Clickup subscription and consequently cancel your Clickup account. Whether you've decided to move away from Clickup or you're simply not using it as much as you anticipated, cancelling your subscription is a straightforward process. Let's work through it step by step to ensure it's done correctly. First, we need to navigate to the Clickup homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in clickup.com. Once there, you'll see the login option on the upper right corner of the web page. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login screen where you need to access your account. On this login page, you'll notice several options for signing in. If you typically use your Google account to log into ClickUp, select the Sign In with Google option. In case you use a different method, you can proceed with your usual login credentials. Since we're assuming you're using Google, after clicking that option, a window may prompt you to select your account. Choose the appropriate account that you've been using with ClickUp. Now that you've logged into the account, we get to the more direct part of the process. In the upper left corner, you should see your profile icon. Click on that and it will open a drop-down menu with several options for managing your account. You're going to want to find the billing section here. Clicking on billing will direct you to the area where you can handle your subscription settings. Once in the billing section, you'll get a clear view of your current subscription details. Now, ClickUp doesn't allow direct cancellations from here, but guides you through a downgrade process to a less comprehensive, possibly free plan. So look for the option that mentions downgrading. It might not be immediately evident, so you may need to explore around the page where different plans are displayed. Choose the plan you wish to downgrade to, keeping in mind that this is essentially your cancellation from paid features. Selecting a downgrade will allow your account to transition, potentially to a free version, but eliminating the billing associated with the previously selected plan. And with that final step, your ClickUp subscription is effectively cancelled. Remember that this process might change slightly, depending on future interface updates, but the general steps should remain quite similar. Should you encounter any obstacles, feel free to consult ClickUp's customer support for assistance specific to your account. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this guide has made the cancellation process smooth and stress-free for you. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a suggestion in the comments below.